Good afternoon. Today we cover three stocks in this video. One is a block deal for One MobiKwik Systems. The second one is Western Carriers Limited. The company's received a contract of 158 crores from Jindal Stainless Steel. Then the third company is a pharma stock, Senores Pharmaceutical Industries, with a net profit growth revenue guidance for FY26, 100% net profit growth. So first we look at One MobiKwik Solutions. Stock jumped 14% after a block deal. About 9% stake was sold worth 168 crores. The block of shares were offloaded by South African-based strategy investor Net1 Applied Technologies Netherlands BV. So we'll quickly have a look at One MobiKwik. Uh, just a second. All right. This is the logo of the company. Negative return of 6% in the last 1 month. 58% negative return in the last 6 months. I think it's after the IPO that was where there has been a huge correction in the stock. Incorporated in 2009, digital banking platform which offers a wide range of financial products for both consumers and merchants. Market cap of 1,975.74 crores. Current price 254, high of 698, book value of 77. Price to earnings ratio not available, minus 13% return on capital employed, minus 31% return on equity. Face value 2 rupees. Stock is trading at 3.27 times book value. Low interest coverage ratio. Promoter holding is 25%, which is very low. Low return on equity of minus 25% in the last 3 years. Sales have been gradually, revenue has been decreasing. Uh, Company has been in a loss, and the losses keep on increasing, which is not a good sign. Sales have Revenue has grown in the last 3-4 years. However, from a net of 128 crores net profit, the company is making a loss of 122 crores over the last 4 years. Then we move on to Western Carriers India Limited. The stock has gained 11% up after securing a 558 contract from Jindal Stainless Steel. The company is engaged in the multi-modal logistics services, road, railway, and river transport, custom house agency, storage and warehousing, and operates across the country. It has expertise in aspects of logistics like freight forwarding, shipping, air cargo, trucking, clearance, storage, CNF and distribution, and civil works. We'll quickly go through the logo. This is the logo. This is another logo. 9% return in the last 5 days. 23% return in the last 1 month. 5.6% return in the last 6 months, and a minus 24% negative return in the last 1 year, primarily due to the stock market correction in the month of October November. Incorporated in 1972, provides end-to-end supply chain management. Then 121 is the current price, 1,238 crore market cap, high of 177, price to earnings ratio of 19, which is good. Book value is 81, so the company is trading at 1.5 times its book value. Return on equity is 10%. Return on capital is 13%, which is good. Face value of the stock is 5 rupees. No dividend paid out. 10.1% sales growth over the last 5 years. Poor sales growth. Can see the revenue has been more or less consistent to around that 430 crore mark. Net profit has reduced as well over the last 1 year. Overall, you can see comparison to the last 1 year, there's a 15 crore reduction in the net profit. Though sales net revenue has increased marginally, overall the net profit has reduced. Profit growth minus 19%. Stock price growth not available, no comparison to the previous years. Recently listed stock. Uh, Sales growth of 2% in the last 1 year, 11% return on equity, the lowest in the last 5 years, from 19 down to 17, from 17 down to 11. Then we'll look at the last company for today, which is a pharmaceutical stock where it's expected to gain 100% net profit growth uh, for FY26 guidance. Senores Pharmaceuticals Limited is engaged in manufacturing and marketing pharmaceutical formulations and APIs serving regulated and emerging markets. Capex 250 crores for FY26 is preparing to invest in injectable facility by the end of 26. Additionally, a new greenfield site in India is being developed to support both semi-regulated and regulated markets. Production has begun at its API facility, 100 to 120 metric tons per annum as of March 2025, with FDA inspection targeted for Q2 CY26. So second quarter of the current year, which is FY26. Disclaimer: article information has been extracted from different resources on the internet. All investment opinions and recommendations are those of respective experts, broking houses, and rating agencies. These views do not reflect personal opinion or advice. Stock market investments carry inherent risk of financial loss. Investors must exercise their own judgment and conduct proper due diligence. The author bears no responsibility for any loss resulting from decisions made based on this article. It is strongly recommended to consult a qualified financial advisor or broker before making any investment decisions. This is the logo of the company. This is the current price, 12% gain in the last 1 month, 1.4%, 4% gain in the last 6 months, and 1.4% gain in the last 1 year. I believe the company may have been listed recently on the stock exchanges, incorporated 2015, and develops affordable and high quality complex generics certified by the Global Food and Drugs Authority. 568 is the current price, market cap of 2016 crores, price to earnings of 45, which is high, book value 171. Uh, Sorry, return on equity 11%, return on capital employed 11.4%, face value 10 rupees, uh, no dividend paid out, company is capitalizing the interest costs, debtor days have improved from 177 to 114. Yeah, there has been a steady growth in revenue over the last 1.5 year. Then net profit has grown quarter on quarter, which is again a very good sign for the company. The overall revenue growth has been about 60%, which is amazing. Six, no, sorry, should be 75%. Yeah, almost 80% revenue growth. Net profit has grown by about 80% as well, which is again a good sign. Yeah, so profit growth, sales growth 85, 86% in the last 1 year, which is amazing. Return on equity is 12%, slightly lower than the 3 year average of 15%. That is it, friends. Thanks for watching. Wish you a happy weekend, and we'll connect with another video very soon. Please share this video with your friends, family, and associates so they could benefit from this information as well. Thank you for watching. Have a good weekend.